Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Redmi Note 13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Redmi Note 13 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Redmi Note 13 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say additional setting. After click over additional setting, you will find here something say date and time. After click over date and time, now you can see I can change my date and time. If you want to set manual date and time, you need to turn this set time automatically off. Now you can easily set manual date and time whatever you want. If I want to change the time, you can also do whatever time you want. Now if I go back, we'll see my phone going to appear new date and time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Redmi Note 13. I will suggest you to turn on automatically date and time, which will help you. For example, you are in London and you went to Dubai, so whenever you went to Dubai, whenever your phone is connected with that local area network, your phone is going to appear that particular area time. So if you want to enable that, you need to click in your Redmi Note 13 settings section. After click over, then you scroll down, click here additional setting, date and time, and you can simply turn on automatically date and time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Redmi Note 13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.